We've written for you a representative SBL exam, and it's called World Adventure Tours Company, and you can download this from our site. And what we're going to do is we are going to go through this set of questions, this case study, showing how we think it should maybe be approached, and this should give you some practice, some insight perhaps into how best to answer these very long questions, albeit of course they are broken up into several separate parts. Remember, the SBL examination is 4 hours. We would suggest that when you download the question, you spend something like 20 minutes, maybe even up to half an hour, reading, rereading, thinking about the information that is in the question, really getting to know it, thinking about the tasks that have been posed in the questions. And in the real exam, you should do that as well. You should spend about 20 minutes really to getting to kind of know and love the material that's there. If you rush in too soon, you are not going to be bringing out really all the perhaps complications or nuances which are in the material. We're not going to produce a whole heap of these questions. They are very time consuming to produce. This is a valuable resource, and you will waste that resource if you just download the question and immediately go to the answers and kind of read through the answers and think to yourself, ah yes, I would have got that point. You might not have got that point. You might have got other ones which are perfectly valid. But the important thing is to really compare perhaps your ideas to the ideas which are going to be presented during the lectures, and also being finally presented in a suggested set of answers. So this part of the video will stop now. Go and download the question and study it carefully for at least 20 minutes. And then when you come back, we can look at really going through this, look at a video called Introduction, and then we'll work our way gradually through the 5 questions which make up this case study.